Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we're exploring the best digital infrared thermometer designed to make temperature measurement faster, safer, and more precise. The Smart Sensor ST390 Digital Infrared Thermometer combines accuracy with ease of use, making it perfect for home, cooking, and industrial tasks. Let's get started. The Smart Sensor ST390 Digital Infrared Thermometer is designed to measure temperatures without touching the object, keeping you safe from hot surfaces or hazardous areas. Its digital color LCD display with backlight ensures you can easily read temperatures even in low light or nighttime conditions. This makes it ideal for quick checks around the house, in workshops, or in professional environments. Accuracy is key, and the ST390 delivers reliable readings across a wide range of temperatures. It features a data lock function that keeps the last reading on the screen, so you can double-check the measurement without rushing. Switchable laser positioning helps you target the exact area you want to measure, ensuring precise results every time. For convenience, the thermometer allows switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit units, adapting to your preference. Adjustable emissivity from 0.10 to 1.00 lets you measure different materials more accurately by compensating for their reflective properties. Low battery and laser indicators alert you when maintenance is needed, while the automatic power-off feature preserves battery life during periods of inactivity. The Smart Sensor ST390 is built for practical use in everyday life. Its non-contact design makes it ideal for checking hot water pipes, cooking surfaces, engine parts, electrical connections, insulation, and even lighting ballasts. You can safely monitor temperatures for maintenance, troubleshooting, or even culinary applications without risking burns or injuries. In terms of design, the ST390 is compact and lightweight, fitting comfortably in your hand. Its robust construction ensures durability, and the intuitive buttons make operation simple and hassle-free. Whether you're in a workshop, kitchen, or outdoor setting, it's portable and easy to carry wherever accurate temperature readings are needed. This thermometer is perfect for professionals who need precise measurements, homeowners managing household tasks, and anyone who cooks or works with machinery. Its safety, speed, and accuracy make it a must-have tool for both personal and industrial use. Upgrade your temperature measurements with the Smart Sensor ST390 Digital Infrared Thermometer. Check the price link in the description and make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more useful tech updates. Stay safe, measure smart, and enjoy the convenience.